In the previous video, we discussed about different kinds of inference. Here, in this video, we discuss what is conversion and the rule of conversion and the conversion of A, E, I and O position. First, we discuss what is conversion. Conversion is a kind of immediate deductive inference in which the subject of the premise becomes the predicate of the conclusion and the predicate of the premise becomes the subject of the conclusion. In conversion, the premise is called converted and the conclusion is called converse. First, what is conversion? Conversion is kind of immediate deductive inference. Conversion होची गोटे immediate deductive inference रो पकड़ रहे तो immediate deductive inference रो पकड़ रहे तो जेउठी की in which the subject of the premise become the predicate of the conclusion. Subject is predicate and the predicate of the premise become the subject of the conclusion. Predicate is subject subject is predicate. In conversion, the given premise is called converted and the conclusion is called converse. In conversion, the given premise is called converted and the conclusion is called converse. Then we discuss rule of conversion. In conversion, the premise of the subject of the premise. In conversion, the subject of the premise becomes the predicate of the conclusion and the predicate of the premise becomes the subject of the conclusion. Rule 2. In conversion, the quality remains same. The quality remains same. That means if the premise is affirmative, the conclusion must be affirmative. If the premise is negative, the conclusion must be negative. Rule 3. No term distributed in the conclusion cannot be distributed in the premise. The first नियम पूछी in conversion the subject of the premise becomes the predicate of the conclusion. Subject predicate है जो and predicate of the premise becomes the subject of the conclusion. Subject predicate है जो predicate subject है जो. Then the quality remain same. Quality गुणटा quality conversion quality remain same होगा. That means यदि subject बा premise affirmative हो conclusion negative हो and affirmative हो. If the premise is affirmative, the conclusion must be affirmative. If the premise is negative, the conclusion must be negative. According to quality, there are two types of proposition. According to quality, there are two types of proposition. One is affirmative proposition, then negative proposition. तेणु करिकी क्वालिटी सेम हो प्रेमिस affirmative तो conclusion affirmative हो प्रेमिस negative तो conclusion negative हो. Then no term is distributed in the conclusion cannot be distributed the premise. जो term टा conclusion distribute है ही नहीं माने ता premise distribute हो नहीं. Next we discuss about the conversion of A proposition. In A proposition, the premise is called converted and the conclusion is called converse. Conversion of A proposition. A proposition conversion is all men are mortal. All men are mortal. First, the rule conversion rule of conversion. Subject become predicate. Here the subject become predicate of the conclusion and the predicate of the premise become the subject of the conclusion. Rule 1. Rule 2. The quality remain same. The quality remain same. The quality of A portion is affirmative. The quality of A portion is affirmative. The quality of according to quality there are two types of portion, affirmative and negative. The upper portion is A and I. Here the subject become predicate and the predicate become subject. Rule 2. The quality remain same. Here quality of A portion is affirmative. So the conclusion must be affirmative, either A portion or I position. Rule 3. No term distributed conclusion cannot be distributed the premise. जो टर्म टा conclusion distribute है नहीं माने ता premise से distribute है नहीं. Here A portion distribute only subject term, not distributed predicate term. So you must be distributed. If you take A portion, then only subject term distributed. Therefore, we commit the fallacy of any type of fallacy. So A portion cannot be converted according to A. The conclusion must be I position. The conclusion must be I position because distribute to none of term. Because it is distribute to नॉन ऑफ टर्म कौन टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हैला नहीं देयर इज नो फैलेसी कमिटेड so the conversion of a portion is all men are mortal is I that is some mortal beings are men. If we converted a portion according to rule of conversion we get I portion as is converse. So the conversion of a is I, the conversion of a is I. Now we discuss the conversion of E portion. E portion in conversion the premise is called converted and the conclusion is called converse. Here E no men are mortal. According to rule 1 the subject become predicate and the predicate become subject. Then the quality remain same. Rule 2 the quality here the quality of E portion is negative. The quality of E portion is negative, so the conclusion must be negative either E or O portion. Here E portion distribute both subject and a predicate term, so the conclusion cannot be O portion. The conclusion must be E portion. E portion no men are no mortal beings are men. E portion distribute both subject and a predicate term. So the conversion of E portion is no men are immortal is E, that is no mortal beings are men. So the conversion of E portion is E. Then we converted I portion. Conversion of I portion, first the premise is called converted and the converse. So I portion is some mortal beings are some students are honest, some students are honest. In the first rule of conversion, subject become predicate, subject become predicate and predicate become subject. Subject become predicate and the predicate become subject. Rule 1. Then rule 2 the quality of the conversion is remains same, that is here the quality of I portion is affirmative, the quality of I portion is affirmative, so the conclusion must be here affirmative. I portion is A or I. The I portion distribute non of term, I portion distribute non of term. I portion distribute none of term. So in the conclusion no term is distributed, that is I portion, because A portion distribute only subject term, so we committed any type of fallacy. Therefore the conclusion must be I portion, because I portion distribute none of term. I portion distribute none of term. So the rule 3 cannot be violated. Therefore the conversion of I portion is conversion of I portion is I, that is some student are honest, some honest beings are student. Lastly the conversion of O portion. O portion cannot be converted. O portion cannot be converted because it violates the third rule, because it violates the third rule of conversion, that is no term is distributed in the conclusion cannot be distributed in the premise. जो term टा conclusion distributed है ना premise distributed है नहीं. So O portion distribute the subject term and not distributed the O portion not distributed subject term but distributed the predicate term. If you converted a O portion, then the first rule of conversion the subject become predicate, subject become predicate and predicate become subject. Then if you take any types of proposition according to rule 2 the quality remain same. the quality remain same. If here the O portion quality is negative, here the O portion quality is negative. If O portion is quality negative, the conclusion must be negative. यदि एठी कौन यदि एठी तो ओ पोर्शन क्वालिटी अच्छे नेगेटिव अच्छी यदि क्वालिटी नेगेटिव थाए ता कंक्लूजन निश्चित हम नेगेटिव यदि नेगेटिव हैला ता एठी कौन है प्रेडिकेट टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो जाउची यदि ओ पोर्शन नेगेटिव हैला ता कंक्लूजन नेगेटिव हो नेगेटिव पोर्शन ला ई किबा ओ यदि हम का ई नउचंती ताले सब्जेक्ट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होची प्रेडिकेट टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होची जाकि एठी प्रेडिकेट टर्म टा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हे छि किंतु एठी प्रेमिस डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हे नै ताले फालेसी आछी तेन कि ई पोर्शन हे परिबो नहीं. लास्टली ओ पोर्शन जो ओ पोर्शन नउचन ताले प्रेडिकेट टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट होची सब्जेक्ट टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हो नै ए प्रेडिकेट टर्म डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हे गला किंतु एठी मत डिस्ट्रीब्यूट हे नहीं. एनी केस रे एठी फालेसी आसुची सो ओ पोर्शन कैन नॉट बी कन्वर्टेड तेन करके ओ पोर्शन कन्वर्शन हे परिबो नहीं. Thank you. It rule violate the rule of third rule of combustion, that is no term distributed conclusion can be distributed premise. So the combustion of O is not possible. It is called fallacy of combustion of O proposition.